Hello, everybody. Again, I am here and I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 32. And today I have got an important and so much interesting topic, that is verbs. So, we know about verbs. Verb is a word which shows action, but here the verbs will take its place in a blank and it will follow some rules, and today we will read this. You see here in this place, I like apples. After that, the verb like is used here, but here it has changed its form. See, Sally likes apples. Here in this place there was no s with this, but here we have found here s. Again, see, we both like apples. Here again the s has gone from this place. So what happens actually, if we want to keep remember, then we can watch our that video what was about all tenses. Here I'm giving its address. See, in this place you are getting here, and in the description you will find its address also. So but again I'm giving one clue. If you can keep remember this thing, then it will be easy for you. See, here if I take the verb like here, like I like, we like, then I can tell you like and you like. Again I can tell he, she, it, a verb likes and they like. So this is actually a format. If you memorize it, then this topic will be easier for you, and here you will understand what is used and why this as or es is added with this verb. So I told here, see, with I we will use all time the present or base form of the verb here, and with we and with this you and with this they, means with this word we will use all time the base form of verbs. Here see, here in this place, here do, go, put, run, pull, then play, say, try, carry. Here these words are used after this. Then here does, goes, puts, runs, pulls, plays, says, tries, carries, hurries. These words are used after this word. Okay, if we follow this rule, then to do this exercise will be so easy for us. So let's do first one here. Here first one is actually, this is a number, it is not here. A number, the question has asked us copy and fill in the missing verb choosing from the words in bold type. So this is so easy. If you just keep remember this thing easily, blindly you can put the correct words in the blank. So let's do, see, they, here go, goes. So what will be here? There of course will be go, because here we have found after they we need to use base or root form of the verb. So here it will be go. Then I, we know same thing after I. So here tries and try, here we will use try. He, pull, pulls, we know after he, she, it, adverb. Adverb means anyone's name, any place's name, any thing's name, any animal's names, your name. So here he, after he we will use this one, he pulls. Next one, you, say, says, we know after you we will use what? In both places, means this is the plural, this is the plural side and this is the singular side. But when we will use you, it can be singular or plural, that doesn't matter, but we will use the base form of verb. So here you, after you say, says, we will use only say. Next, we, does, do or does we after we, see, base form of verb, so we will use do. After she, puts, we have discussed it already. Then after you, we will use this one, hurry. Next, it. This is the third person singular number here. So after that, we will use what? A verb with s or es. So here it will be runs. Carry, I carry. Here after I, we will use only carry. Next, they. This is this one. We will use root form of verb of that. Here will be play. Now this is B number. Write the verb from the list on the left that will fill each space correctly. From this place we will bring here the verb, but you have to remember that rule. It means with I, with we, with you, and with they, we will use the root form of verb, means we will not add with that verb any s or es. But if I find that the subject is actually third person singular number, it means if we find he, she, it, any person's name or any singular animal's name, thing's name, that time we will use a verb after adding s or es. So let's do. The children dash football every day. We know the children play, not plays, because this is the plural form. Play football every day. Mr. Gold dash his umbrella on his arm. Mr. Gold, third person singular number, we can take this verb. So Mr. Gold carries his umbrella on his arm. 3 number, Judith dash her knitting by the fire. Judith, what is he doing? Judith does her knitting by the fire. We dash to school 5 days a week. We go from this place. I have taken the verb. We go to school 5 days a week. Peter dash his prayers every night. Peter says. See, in this place Peter says his prayers every night. 6 number, I will catch the bus if I hurry. If I hurry, it will be hurry. In this place you will find hurry. Where is hurry? Here, hurry. Why I have put here hurry, not hurries? Because here I. Next one, our cat always dash after a mouse. Our cat always runs. Here our cat is third person singular number. Zena dash her to write a good letter. Zena tries her to write a good letter. Next, this is C number. Write sentences of your own showing how each of these words can be used. I'm not writing here, I'm just telling about some sentences. At your home you will practice it by yourself, because this is so easy. Make, mix. So simply you can write I make baskets, or I make basket, or something. He makes, you can add according to your wish a word what he makes, or a child makes, or you can write my father makes, mother makes. Anything you can use, but you have to use here third person singular number only. In this place you can use I, we, you, they. 2 number, eats. Here same way, I eat rice, he eats rice, or he eats noodles. So I think you have understood. This way you will finish this exercise at your home. Today I have done a page, that is page number 32, and the topic is verbs. This is so important, and I have told first time, please watch that video what is about all tenses. Next day we will do page number 33. There we will find a topic that is called writing letters. Bye for today.